I told you it's not gonna happen.
I know you already said that.
But nothing. I'm not gonna let you waste all my money and all your potential on some far-fetched fantasy. Your sister seems to be doing just fine at community. Why can't you?
Look, I know. I'm sorry. I'm just throwing ideas out there.
Well, here's an idea. How about you just go to Dayton Community, or better yet, just get a job and start getting your life together and helping out around here?
Hey, I'm sorry about all that. I forgot you were still here.
No worries. I couldn't hear most of it anyway.
Oh. Okay.
Did you finish it?
Oh, yeah, I've got it right here.
So are you going to New York then?
No, I'll probably just go to Dayton Community. It'll make things easier.
Ah, gotcha. Pleasure doing business with ya. Guess I'll see you at Dayton next fall?
Yeah, sure thing.
Hey, Danny. Hey, I'm gonna have to call you back.
Move.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Will you please let me leave?
Where are you going?
Nowhere, just out for a walk.
Uh-huh.
Remember when we were kids? We couldn't wait to get out of school and come here. Come on. What was that game we used to play? What did we call it? Like lava search something?
Volcano treasure hunt.
Of course.
Yeah.
Volcano treasure hunt. It was like a mix of the floor's lava and freeze tag and treasure hunt. Those were the days. No jobs, no worries, no big life decisions. So I saw you've been getting some more letters from NYU about the writing program. Is that still the plan?
No. It's not worth the hassle. I'll just go to community. It's what Dad wants anyways. And it'll make everything easier.
Why? You've been wanting to go there for years. There isn't even a writing program here.
It's not a big deal. I wouldn't have even been accepted.
You mean you didn't even apply?
Well, I mean, the fee was $50, and I didn't think it was worth it just to be told no. Besides, Dad doesn't want me to go, and it's not worth fighting over.
You've got to start taking control of your own life, Danny. Stop worrying about everything else. If you want to go live in the jungle and hunt wild animals, then go live in the jungle and hunt wild animals. If you want to go to New York and start fresh and become a writer, then go do that.
I don't know. You went to community and you seem just fine.
That's not the point. My path in life is much different than yours. You need to understand that. Only you know what is best for your life, and only you have the power to make that happen. Just sitting around and letting things happen to you may seem like the easiest solution, but trust me, you'll be much happier.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Of course I am.